This is the Iron Trader. It is Wednesday morning. Hope everybody had a great 4th of July. So, as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now, the API numbers will be out today at 4:30, and the EIA numbers will be out on Thursday at 11 p.m. And for natural gas, it'll be at 10:30 on Thursday. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Now, if you look here, your price channels, you have 75.06 on the top, 66.80 on the bottom, all holding real nice. The price pretty much right dead center. Okay, now, I always point out one very, very key level right here, 50 SMA. You're sitting at 71.52. So if you look at the red candle here, this was Monday's candle. Where to go? Right into it. So far today, it can't get through. Now, if you can close above this key 50 SMA here, then we just start looking to the top of all these candlesticks here. So you want to look here at 72.03. We have at 72.38. Then we have 72.65. If we can close above, your big target is going to be this 100 SMA sitting at 73.94, and then right above it is 75.06, your price channel. Okay, now if it can't, what we want to do is you want to look at this key 21 SMA here. Okay, this is going to be key support level here today. So you're looking at 70.29. Then we look here at your 8 SMA here, sitting at 69.73. Those are going to be your two key levels there of support. So always watch those. Now, if that's lost, then what we do, we come to the bottom of this candle right here. Okay, so you're looking at here at 68.93, and then we just work our way on down here. You're looking at 68.71 here. We have 68.14. We have 67.35, 67.05, and then you have your big retest here at 66.80. But right now we're just basically sideways action, but it's getting real tight. So basically, this is a very simple trade. Upside, watch this key level here, 71.52. That's that 58 SMA, and then watch the 21 here on the downside, and then your 8 SMA here on your downside. Now, Saudi Arabia did a voluntary cut as of July 1st. They're going to cut an extra 1 million barrels per day. And now on Monday, they just extended that they're going to carry those cuts all the way through August. So, you look at it and you say, wow, they're cutting the supply, price is going to go up. But then you also look at the other side of the trade is, why are they cutting the supply? What do they see? Okay, then maybe the demand isn't there, what people think that there's a demand out there. Now, with summer driving here right in full force right now, if we don't see a rally here, this is going to get much, much lower. So always watch this 66.80. Come over here. You got 66.65. You have 64.36. This is your big retest here, 63.64. If that's lost, you're going to go to 61.74 real quick. Okay, so always look when any kind of information comes out. Always look at both sides. Why are they doing it? What is the result of this here? And just always try to factor in the big picture. All right, let's take a look here on your weekly and monthly. Okay, your monthly here still looking really good here. You're looking at 66.44 on your 50 SMA here, and then you have 72.78. That is your 200 SMA. The price is right in between. Obviously, if you can go higher, then your target right there, very easy, 74.75. Now, if that 50-day is lost, always look to this price channel here. You're looking at 62.43, and then right below it, you have 59.85 is your 100 SMA. Those are all your key levels of support. On your weekly here, this is what I pointed out, 61.74, if this 63.64 is lost. But right now, watch this key 200 SMA. You're sitting at 67.60, and on the upside, your 8 SMA here, 71.24, your 21 SMA here, 73.81. Obviously, if you can get a higher than that, then you look at 79.47. What I don't like about this here is, see, your 50 SMA, downtrend. 21 SMA, downtrend. Your 8 SMA just can't get above that 21 SMA. That's really not a very bullish sign, especially this time of the year here. Okay, so just be careful. Don't have no opinion. Trade it both ways. If it breaks out, you know where it's going. If it breaks down, you know where it's going. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, natty gas. All right, what we have here. Now, here's your hourly chart, and there's your 4-hour chart. Now, you have a nice series of higher lows here. Okay, so you have a low, another higher low, and then we have another higher low, and then we're going up. The problem with that is we have a high, we have a lower high, and do we have another lower high here sitting at 2.79? That is going to be the question. Okay, on your 4-hour, same thing. It's a nice series of higher lows. That's always very positive. Now, the key is going to be here, your big resistance is going to be 2.828. Okay, if it can get above that, then we go to 2.87. That is going to be the big question. Can it go, or is it just going to go sideways here? Okay, so if you look here on the 1 hour, you're still in pretty good shape here. If you can just ride up that on that upper level here, the same way with your 4-hour here. If you look at the MACD here, your 4-hour, if this could get running and you could break through this has got a lot of room here to run. You have a real nice crossover here. So we just have to see how this is all going to shake out here. All right, let's take a look here on the old daily chart. All right, here's your daily chart all stretched out. So you look at your price channel here on the top, 2.878. That's going to be very, very key. Now, if you can get above that, here's your target right here, okay, is 3.027. That's going to be your target if it can get above that key price channel. Now, on the downside, always watch this 8 SMA. This is very, very critical support. So now you're looking at 2.73. If that is lost, then we look to the 21 SMA right here. Okay, so you're looking at 2.52. Then we come down here to your 8 SMA, looking at 2.39, and then your 100 SMA, looking at 2.37. So you know where the downside is, but watch this key 8 SMA. That's going to be critical. If that's lost, then your first target is going to be this 21 SMA. On the upside, you need to break above this key price channel here, sitting at 2.87. If you can, there's your target right there at 3.027. Now, it looks like here, like a UNG here. That's just an ETF for. That's a really good scalper right now. You're sitting at, it's up a little bit here today. It's up about 20 some cents. You're sitting at about 741. Boyle, you're sitting at about 68 to 69 level there. So those are going to be some pretty good trades here. If they can close above here, those will go much higher. Remember, those are leverage funds. And then like on the short side, you can go the KOLD. But I think I'm just going to be scalping along here today. All right, thanks for watching. I'll have more for you here, probably around the 2 o'clock area there today on crude oil and natural gas.